Woodpecker's new BladeSaver saw blade guard and hanger system protects your blades and offers features not found on other blade storage options. You never need to touch the blade's sharp teeth. To attach the blade guard, simply lay the blade flat, wrap it around the teeth, then latch the master link and store it away using the handy hanging hook. With BladeSaver, each blade is individually protected, ensuring blade teeth can't contact or strike other blades or objects. And with BladeSaver, you can store multiple saw blades in a compact area and have easy access to them all. BladeSavers are molded using tough ABS plastic that will provide years of protection for your valuable saw blades. BladeSavers are available for 10-inch and 12-inch saw blades. So consider Woodpecker's new BladeSavers adjustable saw blade guards. Like all quality Woodpeckers products, BladeSavers are proudly made here in the USA.